Hello everyone, welcome to class 2 of Python programming. In today's class, we'll discuss about lists. Suppose I write a 10, 20, 30, 40. This becomes a list. This is so simple. 10, 20, 30, 40. If you want, you can print the list. And remember, whenever we create a list, we write the square bracket. If you write some other bracket like this, it won't work. This is called set. We'll go to that later. This is a set. So the brackets are very important. A is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. I want to print A. Even you can write only A here and you can print it. But remember to write print always, because if you have two lists here, so the first, if you write A then B, without print statement, you will not see the execution of both. So print A. Print A means all will be printed. Individual, if you want to see, there are 4 rooms in a house and you want to print each one, you can do that. You can print this one, you can print this one, you can print this one. So for that, we have to write 4 times. Suppose I want to print, again remember, you have to write between square brackets. I'll copy this one and write 4 times. 0 is the first cell, 10, the index you can say. 1 is the second one, the index of this one is 1, the index of this one is 2. In R programming, we start with 1. In Python programming, we start with 0. That is the difference. So now if you see, I got individually 10, 20, 30, 40. If I have a very big one, we can run a for loop also. Again, I'm not going to that. Remember, individually we can print. Suppose you want to print only the first one, you have to write 0. Second one by one you can print. Then as usual, you would like to see the ID also, where it's stored. This is the ID of this list. So the ID also you can print. You can print individually. Then we'll try to print the type. This is important. Type of A. Type is list. Remember in the last class we talked about numbers. Now we are talking about list. This is a list. Individual also we can see the IDs, but yeah, I'm not going to that now. We'll make it simple. Now suppose I have a list 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is the new one, though I've written A here. So the latest one is this one. So now you will get 5 instead of 4 here. I've written 4 here. I have 5 here. Now, if I want to print the whole one, I can write print A. If I want to print one by one, then I can write print taking the index, the indices. Suppose I want to print 2. That is called slicing. You can slice it also, like bread slicing. We can slice it up to this if you want to print, up to this you want to print. So I'll write here print within bracket colon. That means everything will be printed. Yeah, sorry, I didn't write the name here. So everything will be printed here. If you write this, then you get the printout. If you write this, then also you get the printout 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That is colon. If you write a colon here, everything will be printed. Now, suppose you want to print only up to 20. Then what you can do is, see, this is 0, this is 1. So I'll write a 2 here, up to 2. I have not written anything to the left of column. That means from the starting, this -1, it will go up to 2 minus 1, that is 1. So it will print up to 1 index. Okay, so these two will be printed. The index of 10 is 0. The index of 20 is 1. If you run this one, then you will get up to this. Suppose you write 3 here. That means 3 minus 1, up to 2 it will print. 0, 1, 2. Index wise. You run it, you will get this. If you write 4 here, up to 3 index 40 will be printed. If you write 4 here, then this. If you write 5 here, then everything. If you write 50 here, then what? You don't have, right? So up to 50 means up to this only you have. There will be no difference at all. Now, we'll not write this one. We'll start from this side. We don't want from the first one. Suppose we want from the third one. Okay. Here. From 30 you want. You don't want the first two. So 0, 1, 2. Here you have to write from 2. It will start from 2. Not 2 minus 1. 2. Then everything. See, starting from 2, 0, 1, 2. From 2, everything. From 2, everything. Suppose you want to write 0 here. Then from 0, everything. If you write 1 here, from 1, everything. It's a kind of slicing, right? From 2, everything. From 3, everything. Starting from 3. Now suppose you write 3 to 5 here. So how many numbers are there? 3 to 5? 3, 4 only. Because it starts exactly from this and ends with this -1. So what will happen? Two numbers will be printed, 40 and 50. Starting with the third one. Third one means according to index 0, 1, 2, 3 here. And ending with this -1, 5 minus 1, that is 4, 50. If you want, you can write 1 here so that it will start from 1, 20. And we want to end at 3 index, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4 means n minus 1, that is 3. It has to end here and it has to start from first. First means 20. So 20, 30, 40 is what you get here. You run it, 20, 30, 40. This is what you got. I wanted to make it very, very easy for you because Python is the best. If you learn Python programming, you can do anything. It's a general purpose language. You can go for web development. You can be a software engineer. You can go for data science, and then you can go for machine learning, artificial intelligence, anything and everything you can do. Even you can work in banks and other companies where we use Python programming for, analysis work. The balance sheet analysis, everything can be done using Python programming. This is the best programming language in the planet. So if you like it, please share with your friends so that they will also get the benefits, and subscribe to our channel because we'll continue to supply videos. We'll complete from A to Z everything here, Python programming. Then also we'll do data science and we'll continue it. It might take 6 to 8 months time to go to the highest level. Class is over now. Thank you. See you next time.